This video, I'm going to show you how you can write a message in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, first go ahead, open your Microsoft Teams account or app and log into your account. Once you're here, now head over to chat here. And if you click on chat, now you'll see we have an option for a new message here. So go ahead and click on new message icon on top here, or you can use a combination of Ctrl+N on your keyboard to compose a new message. So if I click on new message here like this, now you can see we have an option to compose our message here. So you can enter the name, email, or the phone number here. Once you have entered your email, now compose the message by typing it below here. Once you are done, now go ahead and send the message by clicking on send here. So that's how you can compose or write a new message in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.